All right, guys, so going to see my friends over at Sapien Stone this morning. They are a services company, so we are talking kitchen countertops, bar countertops, kitchen backsplash, outdoor kitchen countertops. I'm also going to be doing a couple of slabs in the master shower with them. So why am I going over here? Really, the main reason is to see these slabs full size. Most of what I'm choosing has veining through it, and when you have veining in a slab, you really want to see the full size slab. Their sample pack is fantastic. I was able to look at that, compare it to the tiles, that I'm selecting for the bathroom, that I'm selecting for the bar backsplash, to make sure things match with each other and everything goes for the overall aesthetic consideration. That said, the veining is really important to me. I like to get it positioned just right. I know my countertop dimensions. I can look at where certain things will be cut. So that's really why I'm going up there today, just to confirm all of my choices. So I had a little chat with these guys on the drive up. They know what I'm doing here. You know what I'm doing here, and that is we want to see the natural stones, the veining in the natural stones. We want to see full scale, and by full scale I mean this is the full size slabs that these guys offer. They are massive. Okay, I'm really excited to see these. Holy shit.
And your natural finish is going to be,
dude,
that's more durable than the polished.
Ridiculous. Yeah. So you were telling me that at KBiz. I don't understand. I mean, when you talk about natural stones, everybody's like, well, the polished is going to protect the stone way more.
Right.
I mean, obviously, you guys don't have that concern, being it's a non-porous stone. But how is this more durable than the polished?
Because this is more of your porcelain in a raw state, and on the polished side, it's an application.
Wow, dude.
So the way to achieve that polish in the porcelain is we have to actually apply a chemical.
Gotcha.
And then it gets polished like a natural stone with diamond pads.
Gotcha.
This is your porcelain in a raw state.
This is like,
so it's very, very durable.
I mean, you could put marble next to this, and I bet you 9 out of 10 people wouldn't be able to tell the difference.
Absolutely.
That's
not.
Unbelievable.
The first time I came on board with the company, I couldn't tell. And I saw it.
And you've been in this industry for how long?
30 years.
Holy cow.
It was mind-blowing.
Dude.
But the technology we have, there's no pixelation. I mean, there's no question that...
So when you say no pixelation, that means when I zoom in...
When you zoom in, you will not get a distorted print on the slab.
Yeah, I mean, the camera's got limitations that, like the stone looks better than
Let's see by the naked eye more.
Yeah. Whoa.
And that's a digital process that is unique to our brand and our groups.
This one can be bookmarked? Bookmarked. This one can be book matched?
Yeah. So we have this color, Statuario, comes in a book match.
Okay.
And then you also have the white Calcutta, which comes in a book match. So we only offer 2 colors in the book match.
So let me ask you a question. The kitchen specifically, we have it on the back part of the kitchen. The island is going to be, let's call it the statuario for now. Okay. Then the back counter is statuario, and then the backsplash. When we're talking about book matching, we can have the countertop and then the backsplash have the vein meet from the horizontal and then go into the
Correct. And that's also going to have a lot to do with the fabricator that you choose.
Sure.
So that's very important.
That's why I talk to you.
Exactly.
I think I am going to stay with my initial thoughts. I really do. I love how much motion is in this. And there's so much countertop, and then into that, I think it's going to look crazy into the backsplash. Oh my God.
That's a really nice material. It's one of my favorite.
And the natural is a no-brainer for me. Like, absolute no-brainer. You know what it is? Everybody loves that honed marble look, matte finish, but you get screwed. I mean, I've told people, it's not even maintenance. You put a glass of red wine down and you got a ring that is there. It's done. It's over. Like, unless you're paying thousands for a stone restorer to come in and really get that out.
That's the one benefit, you know, that you have with raw materials.
Well, you know, it's been a benefit for years with all the different products, right? But what you guys nailed is you got all those benefits and they're stronger, but you nailed the natural look. That's what you nailed. It's because I basically don't feel like I'm compromising is the thing. I feel like I'm actually doing better than a natural stone because I've got no worries about acids. I've got no worries about wine and staining and all the rest of it.
Correct.
Hot pots come off the stove. Don't have to think about that.
Nope.
Now, with respect to outdoors, what's the consensus on polished versus natural there? Like, is it still better to use a natural outside?
It is still better to use a natural. You know, if you're gonna have, this is gorgeous. If you're gonna have coverage, it'll minimize, you know, any debris. Is this gonna be a rooftop? But the natural
This,
is very durable.
oh Jesus. So the indoor kitchen, 3 feet, door to the roof deck. Yeah. So we're gonna go from the Arbiscotto right to this. All right, guys, so that is it. Confirmed all the way through. I could not be more excited that I did that. You know, it just reinstates the power of the product that you were looking to use. You know, make sure that you're making the right decision. And I'm fully confident now that those are the right slabs for the job. All right, so confirmed everything I needed to in one quick trip. That was perfect. I feel fantastic about all the decisions I made. So definitely going with the Arbiscotto Natural for the kitchen counters and the backsplash. Staying with the light earth for both the bar and the master kitchen, the bar and the master bath. Sorry. Oh man, awesome! And the Pietro Gray Natural for the outdoor kitchen. Damn, that product is good.